For install the Python, first of all, as I said, you have to use www.anaconda.com. Anaconda.com. It is a website for installing the Python. Okay, so it is open. So after this page is open, then you go to the product description. Okay. Now you move to the product part. In product, go to the individual option. Individual edition is a way of installing the software. Then just scroll it down. Scroll करियो. Then a last entry you can find. You have to install the Python for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So depending upon your system requirement, then you install the software. Okay, 32-bit graphical installer or 64-bit, download it. Then you install your Anaconda software. So after install the Anaconda software, you found this window. एभली विंडो तुमको देखेबो. ए विंडो रे आमे कोन करिवा ना आमे दीटा वे रे आमे बनै परिबा माने पाइथन प्रोग्राम लिखि परिबा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमे एटा लॉन्च करिवा जुपिटर और स्पाइडर. तो रिमेंबर इट, in the two id we have to use for working with Python. One is Jupyter, another is Spider. Okay, तो बेसिकली आमर प्रोग्राम ए प्रोग्राम जर्नी रे आमे यूज करिवा Jupyter id. So Jupyter id that we have to use. Okay, आमे जतरा Jupyter को लॉन्च करिवा तो इट इज ओपन इन ए ब्राउजर. एटा गोटे ब्राउजर रे ओपन हवा. बस एमती गोटे ब्राउजर ओपन हवा. ए ब्राउजर रे मते कोन करिया पड़िवो. एमती ब्राउजर ओपन हला परे मु फर्स्ट करिवि न्यू, देन पाइथन 3, न्यू पाइथन 3. एटा चूज कला परे मोर ए एनवायरनमेंट आसीबो. एटा लोड होची. तो ए जो क्लिक कला परे आ गोटे टैब ओपन हबो. ए टैब रे आमे हमरो कोडिंग लिखिबा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट I move to the next part, this window. Okay, then for display anything in Python, as I saw that if I want to display anything, print, then suppose hello. So it is very simple code. Like you are already doing the C programming, C++ programming, Java programming. For display a single statement आमको 5 रु 6टा लाइन लिखिबा को पडुतला. तो एठी मते केवल जदी गोटे सिंगल लाइन डिस्प्ले करिवार अछि, सो देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट एनी more than lines of code. If you want to only print, then write the print statement, then go for the run option. So when you go for the run option, then it is printing you hello here. It is printing you simple output hello. Okay, so dekho, here we are not writing any code. Okay, we only write print hello. I want to display anything, just write, then get the result. So for that reason your Python is used for the data science part. If you compare like if you want to get how much data you are consumed today, मु आज केते data आज मु यूज करिछि, मोर वैलिडिटी केते अछि, ए सब जानिबा को हेले प्रथमे मते कोन करिया पडुथला ना गोटे कस्टमर केयर को फोन करिया पडुथला. कस्टमर केयर तापर तार हिस्ट्री कहबो. सो प्रेस 0 टू गो टू देयर, प्रेस 1 टू मूव टू देयर, प्रेस 3. तो एते ऑप्शन हमको दरकार नै. हमें डायरेक्टली कोन करिवा ना वी हैव टू मूव टू आवर particular app and getting the information आमे सब information पाई परिवा. So that is the main reason for data analysis part we are using this Python concept. It is giving you the faster result. Okay, so and as I discussed that Python doesn't support any kind of data type, but based upon your data it is having a data type. हमें जो data provide करिवा based upon that our data type is defined. So let's check. What is variable? As you know that in other programming language, variable is a memory location where you have to store a value. Okay, for storing a value you require a storage. Like when you are going to your college to keep your books, to keep your laptop, you require a bag. The similar way, when you interacting with the user, for taking the value we require a particular word. You can say it is a space is required. The similar way, when you write a program you require to define a variable or space. So in that space you have to store a value. The variable is a name of the memory location where you have to store a value. Once a variable store, that means a space is allocated to the memory. Okay, so where variable is a location where you store the value. So what is the requirement of the variable in your program? The program variable requirement account. In earlier, when computer has coming to the market, at that timing the variable concept is not there. Okay, so if we talking about the first generation computer, if you want to add the two number 2 plus 3, it will give the result 5. So immediately we are giving a result. But if you are giving that instruction to the computer will take 3 to 4 days or maybe 1 day to giving a simple output 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 ର result ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ମତେ 3 ରୁ 4 दिन समय नहीं जाय पारे. किंतु because of that, when you are giving a instruction to the computer, that value you store anywhere, जे कौन से लोकेशन स्टोर कर दिए, then for getting the value again it search for it. It's just like that. Suppose if your friend is asking that Amit, Manoranjan, that you have to give me a note. So when the friend is asking for a note, you searching the note on your in your study room. Okay, तुम्हें एक study room रे देखियो, तुम्हें रसोई घर रे तमे कहीं तक खोजिबानी. So if anybody your neighbor is asking for the salt, your neighbor is asking for any kind of what onion, then you going to your your cooking room, okay, or kitchen room, so through which you can get that value. The similar way, because of we know that the what the rations, the what kitchen's item, cooking item are all are present in the kitchen room. So if anybody is asking us, we are going to that particular location, and if anybody is asking for note, I will move to the study room. So that means we arrange all the thing in a particular place so that we get this information easily when anybody is asking. The variable is just like that. You have to store your information in a proper location so that anybody easily get your information from that location, so that the variable is required. So it is allocated memory, or you can say it is a identifier where you store the value. Next rule is what? Like how you have to define the variable here. Just wait. So for defining a variable here, we can directly write any value. Suppose if I print anything like a is equals to 10. When I write a is equals to 10, if I write print a, then it will shows the result. See that it shows the result. If you have the copy, write it simultaneously. It is a small program. Okay, so print hello, it is display that it is a variable a equals to 10, then print a, it is showing you the value. If I write here a is equals to b is equals to c is equals to 10, then if I print all value, like if I print here, print A, then print here B, then here I print C. So print C. So here it is show all the values. 10, 10, 10, it shows the all the values. Now, if I write here A, comma, B, comma, C is equals to 10, then 20, then 30, then I print all the thing. In that cases what happened? A cases रे कौन आसी वो देखो. तो normally मुझे जब लिखी C is equals to 10, that means what? C value is 10, but here it is different. आमे एठी किमती आउची देखो. एठी हमर जेतला देखिवा A रो value से शो करिवो 10, B value is 20, C value is 30. Okay, so it is serially it is present. A is 10, B is like 20, C is 30. So it is the, in this way we define the variable. Okay, so it is the way of defining a variable. The next,
से प्रिंट लिखला बेले से ऊपर सेमी जो लागे सेमीकोलन सेटा लागिवो ना
नो सेमीकोलन एठी कंपलसरी नाही. तो आमे जेंते कि प्रोग्राम रे सेमीकोलन लिखुचे एठी सेमीकोलन दबा किछि जरूरत नाही. बुझियो एटा डायरेक्टली प्रिंट हो. केवल एठी आमे गोटे जिंस मार्क करिवा, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंडेंशन. माने हमरो जेंते कि सी प्रोग्रामिंग रे आमे गोटे फंक्शन डिफाइन करछे, गोटे ब्रैकेट रहउची कर्ली ब्रैकेट. तो एठी हमर किछि ब्रैकेट रहिबोनी. एठी ब्रैकेट जगह रे आमे सबोले इंडेंशन मेंशन करिवा. को जगह रे इंडेंशन रहइबो से इंडेंशन ता मेंशन हबो. बुझियला?
ओके सर.
अरे हैंग हेगला. So that is the word. For that reason, basic of Python is very simple and it is very faster language. It is सबुठारु fast execute way than the other programming language. एठी एते किछि rule regulation नाही, but we have to follow like indentation. जदि गोटे space भी जदि हमर भूल हे होछि program लिखिबारे, then it shows an error. आउ से space पाइबा ही बहुत difficult हेतै. तो एटा properly जो जेते बेले हमें syntax लिखिबा, syntax लिखिबा टाइम रे जो रूल ता तुमको कोहा जीवो, so that rule you have to obey. That means when I give you that, when you define a function and you have to give that kind of space, so remember that that space you have to give. Now जदि हमें space mention न करिबा, then that will be shows an error and your program is not run properly. So that is the only one thing that you have to remember. Then as I show that Python is not having what data type, but here it is contain some special data type. Okay, so what type of special data type is present? The first the Python data type you can write here number, string, list, tuple. So these are the data types are present: number, string, list, and tuple. But it is not like that. You cannot say it is just like integer, it is just like a string in other programming language. It is just same as like array. जेमति कि हमें other programming language रे array use करथले. Array is a special type where we are storing the multiple value. So similar way this data type is like that. It is not like that for int, for float, for double. Okay, but when you compare with the program, like here we use the number, string, list, tuple. So these are the data types are present. Like see that for defining an integer value in the previous program, when I write a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, that means it is an integer value. A is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, a and b is considered as a integer value. But before that we are not defining any int. Before that we are not defining any string. When you assign a value, then based upon your value it is converted to the data type. Based upon your value, आमा value को नहीं कि data type टा define हुए. हमको ये डेटा टाइप टा डिफाइन करके वेरिएबल दरकार हुए नहीं, तो यू डायरेक्टली डिफाइन ए वेरिएबल हियर. So in the what C programming, C++, Java, okay, or .NET, so everywhere first we have to define a data type. जंती कि हमको int define करिया पड़ियो, float define करिया पड़ियो, तो एठी सेमती किसी दरकार नहीं. एठी हमें directly variable define करिवा तातरे value store करिवा. So based upon our value that we consider as it is a numeric value. Like Python data type, here we are using int. Python support 3 different numerical type. Okay, so based upon your value, it is having 3 numerical type. One is int, next is float, next is complex. So Python support 3 different numerical data type: int, float, and complex. Int, float, and complex. These are the 3 different data type we are using. Next comes to string. The string in a Python are identify contiguous set of character represented in quotation mark. Okay, so for accessing the string we pass the index number. So I will give you example. मेटा पठे दूची प्रोग्राम गुड़ाक. I just share you. I will share this thing. Okay, so next I will go for the Python string. Okay, so for Python string, now check. So string, suppose I pass here hello world. I pass here string hello world. Then here I write print string 0 index. See there, when I pass 0, it is showing you h. Okay, तो string जितना हमें store करिवा, तो सेटा हमारा 0 means h रो show करिवो. Then if I pass here 2:5. 2:5. That means it is showing you LLO 0, 1, 2 LLO. Okay, so it is showing you this three part LLO. Okay, next. Okay, so next is, suppose I use 2 colon, it is showing you LLO world. So see that, first of all, when I use 2 colon 5, so 0, 1, 2, okay, means it is starting from L. 5 is what? Na length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means this one LLO. Okay, 2 colon 5, that means it is starting from 0, 1, 2 this position, and 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is starting from 1. First is index number, second is length. तो फर्स्ट टा जेतबे चेक हबो 0 रो चेक हबो, सेकंड टा जेतबे चेक होची 1 नो चेक हबो 1 2 3 4 5. बुझिला? अंडरस्टूड? प्रियदर्शिनी, अमित, मनोरंजन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now when I use hello world 2 colon 2 then colon, so it is printing you all the thing he माने LLO ठारो वर्ड पर्यंत जहा अछि इट शो करियो टोटल 2 colon 0 1 2 then total. Okay, then in string, if I pass here this is my string, if I pass here, suppose I pass here hello, then here I pass string into 2, it is showing you hello hello 2 times. Okay, string hello, then print string into 2, it is showing you hello hello 2 times. Next part, if I use here string plus world, it is showing you hello world. It's a string concatenation, string hello, then print string plus world, it is showing you hello world. बुझला? It is a string concatenation. Now I come to the Python list. So before going to the list, I will send the string example. This one. Okay. The next part is Python list. So list is another versatile type, or it is a compound data type. It contains the item separated by a comma and enclosed within the square bracket. Like it is just giving an example, or it is giving you feature of your you can say array. In array, you can store the element of same data type, but list is just like that. It is contain the item separated by a comma and it is enclosed within the square bracket. To some extent, it is similar to the array in C programming language, or your C++, or your array, your Java. But there is one difference. One of the difference between them is that all item belonging to a list can be of different data type. Okay, all item that is belonging to it is having a different type. Array रे कौन होतला हमें same type रा value store करतले. In list you can store different type of value. Okay, that is the one difference. In array we can store more than one value. In list also we can store more than one value but having different data type. The value stored in the list can be accessed using a slice operator. Like in the string example, for accessing one character we are using slice operator. 2 colon is a slice operator. Okay, that means it is retrieve all the element after 2 index. Okay, so index number which is starting from 0 is the beginning of the list, and the plus sign is a list concatenation operator. So plus is used for joining the two string, that is called the plus operator. So now I move to the list now. I define here two lists. Okay, one list I define here, list ABCD 786 2.23 John 70.2, tiny list 123 and John. Two list I define. Now I print the list value here. Print, then list. That is showing you ABCD 786 2.23 John 70.2. Okay, now similar way, if I print here tiny list, this one, so it is printing you the two element ABCD, then tiny list value. Now if I print the first index element, suppose I print ABCD, so here I have to pass print list, index number is 0. See there, it is only showing you ABCD. So I just simplify it. Now when I run the file, excuse me, it is showing you ABCD. First index value it is showing you. The next is similar way. If I write here 2:5, that is showing you 2.23 John and 70.2. Okay, that is the another way. Next, two colon 5 means 0, 1, 2. A position to start over. 5 means length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it is printing you this element. Understood? Mananjan, Amit, Priyadarshini,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and Guddu. What is your full name, Guddu?
Sumesh.
What is?
Sumesh.
Somesh. Okay, good. Somesh. Then next is if I pass here 2 colon, that means after 0, 1, 2 it is showing you the remaining element. Then here also if I pass this program, print list tiny list, see there the two lists are joined, A B C D 786, 2.23 John 70, 2.2 123 and John. Okay, so this is a list part. Another example I will show. Then now my tiny list is this one. If I write print tiny list into 2, you're saying you 1, 2, 3 John, 1, 2, 3 John. It is repeated 2 times. So other example I will show you. Before that I will send all the program. I will send the program. Okay. So now I move to other example of the string. for least sorting element. Vowels A, E, I, O, U, then vowels dot sort. When you are using sorting, so it is sorted the element A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So randomly here I store the value. मुझे randomly value store कली. तदर हम लिखी भी vowels dot sort. Okay. तो इटा पूरा sorting है गला A, E, I, O, U. Understood? मनोरंजन, अमित, प्रियदर्शिनी, सुमेश.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next example.
सर भावेल में डिजिट जो था ना
कुड़ा गला?
सर भावेल रहला ए या यो इता डिजिट थिले शॉर्ट केन हबो
Digit wise अब
सर फर्स्ट डिजिट आसीबो ना फर्स्ट भावेल आसीबो अल्फाबेट
माने आ भीतर एटा कहू छ पूरा डिजिट रखिया पई तो.
नहीं सर डिजिट रहबो प्लस अल्फा माने अल्फा न्यूमेरिक रहबो
अच्छा एमती कहू छ. कौन देखेला? बुझेला? ने sorting रे एटा यूज करा जीवन. आइदर तमे इंटीजर रखिबो नाले तमारा स्ट्रिंग रखिबो. बुझेला?
यस सर
किंतु लिस्ट रे में सब टाइप रो वैल्यू स्टोर कर पाइबा. मींस we can store the letter, we can store the number, okay, combinedly, but sort method is not working. So here it becomes confused. So for sorting हेले हमको सेम टाइप रो वैल्यू रखिबो पड़िबो. Okay. Okay, so I will send this video as the group is created. So I will send all the videos. Note already I have shared. Sorry, the program. So you do the program and से प्रोग्राम सब करिकी निजे तार फोटो उठे कि मते पर्सनली फोटो पठेबो. ओके नले निज निज ग्रुप रे तमे निजे करिकी ता प्रैक्टिस ए जो प्रोग्राम रा प्रैक्टिस तमे पठेबो. तापर मु तुमको टैक्स देबी. ओके चलो गुड नाइट.
Thank you, sir.